Good morning everyone. Good morning Philippines. Here are the partial and unofficial results for the 2025 election. As of 5:13 a.m. on Tuesday, May 13, with 80.25% of election returned transmitted, #VotePH 2025. Top 3 lead senatorial candidates is si Sir Bongo, si Sir Bam Aquino at si Sir Bato de la Rosa. So top 12 po, ulitin ko po, number 1 po si Sir Bongo, number 2 si Bam Aquino, number 3 si Bato de la Rosa, 4 si Erwin Tulfo, 5 si Kiko Pangilinan, and 6 si Margoleta Rodante, 7 si Ping Lacson, 8 si Tito Soto, 9 si Pia Cayetano, and 10 si Camille Villar at 11 si Lito Lapid, at ika-12 po ang pinakang 12 po is si Miss Amy Marcos po.